In a world built on connections, where every joint must hold, every seal must endure, and every bond must last, one company has been the trusted name for over 3 decades. Welcome to New Era Group, where innovation meets integrity and chemistry creates possibilities. Founded in 1989, New Era began as a bold venture into the world of chemical bonding. Today, over 3 decades later, we are proud to be recognized as a trusted global player, serving industries and households with an extensive range of adhesives, sealants, solvent cements, and specialized self-adhesive tapes. From epoxy and synthetic rubber adhesives to I-certified PVC solvent cements and patented plastic repair products, we've built a portfolio that meets the diverse needs of agricultural, residential, commercial, and industrial maintenance sectors. With 7 patented products, ISI-certified quality meeting ASTM standards, and ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certifications, New Era stands for uncompromising excellence. But beyond being a manufacturer, we see ourselves as a research institute, constantly pushing boundaries to deliver solutions that make life easier, safer, and more sustainable. And behind each product is a clear mission: to deliver value for money while serving the nation and society with integrity and innovation. Our strength lies in our foundation. With 2 advanced manufacturing plants with production area spread over 255,000 square feet in Jalgaon, Maharashtra, we house some of the most sophisticated technology in the industry, from automated reactors and precision mixers to modern packaging units that ensure precision, consistency, and efficiency in every batch we produce. Each facility is supported by dedicated research and development and quality control laboratories, staffed by a well-trained and highly qualified team of scientists and technicians. This is where innovation meets execution, where ideas become industry-leading solutions. Our pursuit of excellence has earned us both trust and recognition. We are a proud recipient of 7 patents with innovations across adhesives, sealants, PVC solvent cements, and self-adhesive technologies. These patents represent not just intellectual property, but breakthrough solutions that address real-world challenges. We've been honored with the Best MSME Award by the Government of Maharashtra. Our brands are registered, trademarked, and copyrighted, and our operations are backed by compliance with leading authorities, including Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization, India, Pollution Control Board, Fire Safety Certification, Chemicals and Allied Products Export Promotion Council, India, and several other key registrations that uphold our commitment to safe and sustainable practices. At New Era, quality is not just a commitment, it's our culture. We rigorously test all incoming raw materials and outgoing finished product according to ISI and ASTM standards. With cutting-edge instruments like gas chromatography, Carl Fisher titration, Brookfield viscometers, universal tensile testers, etc., we ensure that every batch meets the highest levels of reliability and performance. Each product features a unique hallmark of originality and batch identification code, ensuring traceability at every stage. But quality means more than just performance. It means responsibility. We are proud to manufacture environmentally friendly, low VOC products with reduced emissions and odor, aligned with international air quality standards. And we take human health seriously, which is why no unsafe or substandard chemicals ever make it into our products. Behind our vision stands a leadership team that believes in purpose-driven progress. At the helm is Mr. Vilas Jain, our chairman and managing director, a seasoned leader with an MBA in marketing from IMDR Pune and additional master's degrees in counseling psychology and yogic sciences. His deep insight and balanced approach have guided the company's values and long-term vision. Joining him is Mr. Swanim Vilas Jain, Director and CEO, who brings technical excellence with his B.Tech from ICT Mumbai and MBA from SPJIMR. His vision drives our innovation and operational excellence, and leading our financial architecture is Mr. Swaraj Vilas Jain, Director and CFO, a chartered accountant, certified wealth manager, and MBA in FinTech from BITS Pilani, who drives our fiscal health and growth with sharp insight. Together, this leadership team embodies the perfect balance of tradition and innovation, financial prudence and bold vision, technical expertise and human values. From humble beginnings to becoming a benchmark in chemical bonding, we have grown from our headquarters in Jalgaon to every corner of India through an extensive sales and distribution network and are now proudly exporting to markets across the world. Our journey is built on integrity, innovation, and impact. At New Era Group, we don't just manufacture products. We build bonds that last, we create solutions that empower, and we craft a future defined by quality, trust, and excellence. New Era Group, creating strong bonds for a stronger tomorrow.